Second set of questions deals with solving equations. Now, both of them are multi-step equations that deal with a denominator on one side of the equal signs. Looking at the first one, everything on the left-hand side is being divided by 7. Now, I don't necessarily recommend writing it this way, but another way to write the first equation looks like this. Both pieces are divided by 7. So what we want to do is get rid of that denominator first. If everything's being divided by 7, we want to multiply it by 7 so that it goes away. First step would be to multiply both sides by 7. That cancels the denominator on the left-hand side, and we are left with 10 minus 2x equals 2 times 7, which is 14. Now this is where we run into some issues as well. Sometimes we make mistakes here. So we're trying to get x by itself. We see that 10. We need to get rid of that 10. And how we are going to do that is we are going to subtract 10 from both sides. It is a positive 10, so we need to subtract 10 to make that 0. 14 minus 10 is 4. Last thing, some people might be forgetting this minus sign, minus 2x. That minus goes with that 2. Be careful with that. We're going to divide both sides by negative 2, so our answer happens to be negative 2. 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. Looking at the second one, if you tried that one, so same process. Over here on the right, everything's being divided by 5. So we're going to multiply by 5 on both sides to cancel that denominator. We get negative 15 equals 2x minus 7. The denominator was canceled, nothing in top was changed. Next step, add 7 to both sides. Be careful with your arithmetic here. Negative 8 equals 2x. And then finally, divide by 2. We get negative 4 is our x value.